Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to create a 3D logo for free. Okay, if you've been wanting to create your own logo, instead of paying somebody money, you can actually do it by yourself. And the apps you are going to be needing is these three apps: Pinterest, ChatGPT, and Meta AI. Okay, so it's going to be very simple and quick video. Okay, so let's just dive straight into the video. Okay, so first thing first you need to do is to get a logo. Okay, if you already have a logo of someone that you admire, or maybe some a logo sample of a logo that you actually need, okay, if you already have it, then there will be no need of you using this Pinterest. Okay, but if you don't have it, then we are going to go straight to Pinterest so that you can search for a logo that you actually need. Okay, so once you get the logo that you need, you screenshot it and you save it. Then we'll now go to ChatGPT for the prompt and go to Meta AI to generate the logo. I hope this is clear. So let's just dive straight into the practical aspect. Okay, so but before we dive straight into the practical aspect, my name is Noye and this is Noye Tutor Zone. On this channel I create tutorial video on how to use AI and also YouTube growth tips. If that's the kind of video that you love, do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video so that other people can also see this video, so that YouTube can recommend my video to more people. Without further ado, let's just go straight into the practical aspect. So first thing first, you have to open your Pinterest, click on your Pinterest. Okay, so once your Pinterest open this way, you come to this search bar here, you click on it and you search for 3D logo. 3D logo. 3D logo design. This first one, you click on it. Okay, so it's going to bring you here. Just choose any logo of your choice. So I don't want this video to be too long. I won't start going to search logo. I'm just going to use any one here. Okay, let's use this, either this. Okay, let's use this one here. Okay, I'm just going to screenshot it. So I will now, after screenshotting, I will crop it. Okay, I'll crop it. Okay, so after cropping, I will save it. Okay, so after saving it, we are done with Pinterest. So the next thing is to head over to ChatGPT. Okay, so once I go to my ChatGPT, I'll click on this photo icon. Okay, so I'll click on photos to add that particular picture. Okay, so this is the picture. You click on done. Now you tell ChatGPT to give you, please give me the exact prompt for this 3D logo. Please give me the exact prompt for this 3D logo. So send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give us the prompts. Okay, so this is the prompts that ChatGPT gave us. So we are going to go ahead and copy it from here to here. This is the prompts from here to here. Don't copy any other thing. Okay, so this is it. We just click on copy. Okay, so once we click on copy, we are done with ChatGPT. We'll go to the next phase, which is Meta AI. We are going to open our Meta AI. So once it opens, just go ahead and type in the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt. So what we are going to do now is to change the things. You know the logo that we screenshot, the one that we told ChatGPT to give us the prompt. You know that it have the another company's name. So you just come here, change everything. You can change the background, you can change the color. You can see create a professional 3D logo mockup on a dark wooden wall background. You can change your own to brown. Okay, you can change your own to brown. brown, okay, wooden wall background. The logo should feature a shiny metallic silver emblem of a lion. You can change this silver to gold if you like, but if you don't like, you can leave it. So the purpose of this is just to twerk it, okay? Twerk it, change the design, change the color, put your own name, okay? So over here now, we're going to change below the emblem, write the word a mall. You can decide to put your company name. Let me put Noyen, okay, in bold elegant metallic silver capital letter with a reflective chrome effect. Beneath that, add the word company in smaller capital letter. So it depends on what you want to add, okay? You can add beauty, the word beauty in a small capital letter, also a metallic silver. So just the whole stuff is just for you to change the name of the company to your own name, change the color, and so on and so forth. Do you get? Once you do that, you send it to Meta AI, and Meta AI will generate 4 images for you to choose from. Okay, if they bring out the image and you don't like it, you can as well redo it. You can see how beautiful this is. Noyen beauty. Oh, I made a mistake. I would have even written Noyen's beauty, iPhone and S. Well, the same is still okay. This is just for sample, okay? Noyen beauty. So you can now go ahead and save it. Okay, anyone you like, whichever one, you can see how this one is. You can now save it. So this is how to actually create a 3D logo for yourself. You don't need anybody. In fact, you don't need to pay anybody money for it. Okay, so that's just it. It's so simple. Okay,
You can see putting it side by side with the one we copied, no much difference. So this is another one putting side by side, okay, that I generated outside this tutorial. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is just so simple and easy.
so we are done with today's tutorial. Please, if you like my video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it to people so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Okay, please say something in the comment section. If you know you gain value, type I gain value. It will encourage me to put out more videos like this for you. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Please do well to subscribe. Bye bye, I love you guys.